This will show you how to create a smart opt-in SMS pop-up on your website. Go ahead and click Create Sign-up Form. Go ahead and within all of your categories, click on Smart Opt-in. And we are going to click on the opt-in itself. And we're going to leave the name as Smart Opt-in. And then we're also going to leave the SMS subscriber list as SMS subscribers because that's specifically the list that is linked to our SMS welcome flow. I'm going to click Create Form. So one of the first things that we're going to do is ensure that our teaser matches. So we will click on teaser here and leave it as the bottom rectangle. You'll also want to be sure that if you already have something like some type of a teaser along the bottom of your website, that you take that into consideration and then you determine which one has your priority. You only want one teaser on your website at any given time. So we're actually going to change this to medium. And then here we want it to display before and after the form is closed, and then also include a close button so they can get rid of it if they'd like. Here we changed our font to match our website font, but we are going to put this, let's see, so if we go to our website, we can see that on our add to cart button, our call to action button here, it has it all in caps. So what we're going to do is come over to Klaviyo and change this so it is also all in caps. Click to save 10%. Then what we did here is we changed our background color to match the background color of our call to action buttons on our website. Okay, now we're going to go to our SMS opt-in part. Under styles, we're going to have our form type be flyout. Our width is going to be medium. And then your flyout position, it honestly doesn't really matter what direction it's coming from when you have this type of format, but I always choose the bottom right. And then we are going to dock it to the bottom, just so it is not floating all around. So dock to bottom. Also, if you have it docked to the bottom, you don't need to worry about having your logo or anything because your logo will already be present in the header of your website. We're going to choose no side image because this one is populating on desktop or on mobile only. So we want the emphasis to be specifically just on the offer that we're trying to provide. We're going to change our background color to white since the background color of our website itself is white. We're going to turn on the mobile overlay and turn on the drop shadow. We also gave it a corner radius of 20. As you can see, when you change that, it actually changes how curved this is. So if you wanted to have it be more circular, you could do 50. For our brand, we feel like the 20 is most on brand for us. All right, and then lastly, so here is our font itself. This we are going to put in bold. So we might have to use some bold there. We'll make this one a tiny bit bigger. Actually, we'll just make this one smaller. So it doesn't have quite the same emphasis. And then here, we just want to ensure that this has good contrast. Also ensure that you have this checked. So I plan to use this number for SMS marketing, and that way it'll auto-populate your SMS disclosure. Since this one doesn't have very good contrast, as you can see, it's a white background with the gray. We actually need to change our font here to black. So by law, this has to have good contrast. And then we are going to click on our sign up button. So in our website, that sign up button was tan. We're going to go to here, the background color. We're going to put our tan color in. On our website, we do not have a background or any type of a border on our button. So what we are going to do is remove our border. And then it's going to say click to save. We are going to change this to be on brand once again. Make it be Cardo, which will make it Poppins. And then we'll give it just a little bit of weight, maybe a little bit better spacing too. Okay, so what that person would do is they would type in their phone number, hit click to save, and then a one-time passcode will automatically populate to their phone. So here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to change this and also change our font. And then what we normally do here is we put like you're in. And then here, remind them to enter the 6-digit code. Enter code, didn't get a code, resend. And then the last thing we're going to do on this page is change our button so that once again, our button matches. We're going to remove our border. But click to verify, we can put click to save, click for code, any of those things. Click for discount. And then once again, we're going to change this to black because that is the color that is on our website. For font, okay, so the last thing that we're going to do is go to our success message, and we will always want to put our success message in here. So let's put something like, welcome to the club, use code, let me take caps off, use code text 10 to save 10% on my next order. I'm going to screenshot this. Okay, so on here we're going to ensure that our colors match and our font. Use pop-ins again, medium. And then we will also put this one in bold, and we will put this one in italics. And the whole time your website will be in the background. I'll also make this one a little bit smaller. Wow! And there you go. You are ready to rock and roll. You'll just hit publish, and then we're going to hit publish anyway. And you'll